Gentlemen, welcome to Bukim Village. Bukim Village has more to tell. In particular times and particular occasions, we have more to tell. We welcome you warmly in the name of culture. This is not a contemporary thing. Our ancestors jumped snakes on two perspectives. They used a small snake to attract tuna fish. They used pythons as messengers. So this thing is no contemporary thing. It is our tradition that has been stopped by the early missionaries. I researched the story for 2 years and began with my first snake named Rasta. After that, I have charmed 115 snakes so far. A lot of them went back into the jungle and will be charming more. We don't have time to show you our centipedes and wasps. Welcome. Enjoy your stay at Bukim Village. And when you leave Bukim Village, go and remember. Thank you.